diseases, right? So there is this team, the entire team, which has come together. They have spent days and nights together to get this successful. So today, the first consignment, as you can see over here, this is the medical kit which is going. And apart from this, there's also going to be a health hygiene kit, which is going to have sanitary napkins and basic necessities, like you could have a mosquito coil, whatever is the basic requirement, right? And this is going to go to Assam, and there have been other organizations also, the Government of India, Ministry of Ayush, Green Sahasta, and NIM Bangalore, and many other such organizations. Because without them, it cannot be a one-man show. It's an entire battalion which has come together, and I hope that we are able to reach the people who do not government is doing, but we are trying to make sure that this reaches to the people who really are in need. So physically, there is a team who's going to go to Assam from Bangalore, especially the medical kits. And I want to also add one more thing. There's going to be a health camp also. So that is also very important. So once they do the health camp, they will identify if anybody really needs any treatment. So it's not that they're just you're supplying them with the medicines and the basic necessities, but you're also helping them with a health camp, which is really going to be helpful.
The idea of taking the medical camp and the medicines to the program, because after the rain stops, there are humans who have left over in the ground, animals who are left over in the ground. They have been not exposed to the NDRF team or the government team. Now what happened? Once the water goes back to the normalcy, and the dead bodies and the animals comes up. By virtue of that, there are so many diseases, communicable diseases that spreads. That because of that, we are taking the medicines, and we will provide the free health checkup camps, and we will give the immunity boosters, and we will give different types of medicines we have for the problems. And definitely we are going to give the one essential kit, hygiene kit, as well as medical kit also. In that, sanitary napkins, baby diaper, Odomos repellent cream, many other things will be there based on the requirement of the. Now this year the flood has been on a massive scale. Why? Because there have been lot of undivided construction has been happened. There have been, the Kaziranga National Park has been submerged. If you see the newspaper, the Kaziranga National Park has been submerged, and the Barak Valley till the Bangladesh border, so many lives have been lost, so many animals have been gone, so many islands have been merged. So because of this, we thought that we will go and help the people.